Which car ramps are actually good for low cars and trucks? It's a simple question, but you need to dig deeper to find the right answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that can help you get your vehicle up and running smoothly.
Product number 1, Roblox low-profile car ramps. We have the Roblox car ramps. Priced at $30.99, these ramps caught my eye because of their impressive lift height of 2.6 inches, perfect for low-profile vehicles. If you want a reliable option for maintenance, this is worth a serious look. These ramps are designed specifically for low chassis cars, with a slope of 17 degrees that allows you to safely work underneath your vehicle. The honeycomb design not only enhances traction, but also prevents slipping, which is crucial when you're lifting your car. Plus, they can handle up to 20,000 pounds, so you know they're sturdy enough for any situation. Now, some people complained about the limited lift height of 2.6 inches, which might not be enough for some vehicles. Here's the thing though, if you're working with a standard sports car or sedan, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. But if you have something with a much lower clearance, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you own a low-profile sports car and need a dependable ramp for DIY maintenance. Skip this one if you have a vehicle that requires a higher lift. Overall, it's a solid value at $30.99. Now, if the lift height of the Roblox ramps concerns you, the next option has a higher lift to consider.
Product number 2, Maxhall Aluminum Ramp Top Kit. We have the Maxhall 50946 Aluminum Ramp Top Kit, priced at $22.99. What caught my attention here is its versatility. It turns any standard 2x8 board into a functional loading ramp. If you want flexibility in your ramp setup, this is definitely worth a look. The aluminum construction means it's both strong and resistant to rust, which is important for keeping your ramps in good shape over time. Plus, the non-skid surface is designed to prevent slipping, giving you peace of mind while loading your vehicle. It's rated to support a decent amount of weight, making it reliable for various tasks around the house or garage. However, some users mention that it doesn't come with the boards, which could be a hassle if you're not ready to source those yourself. But honestly, if you're handy and have some spare wood lying around, it's a small trade-off for a customizable ramp solution. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, portable ramp option that can adapt to your needs. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with the hassle of getting the boards. It's a great value for under $30. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavier vehicles.
Product number 3, Maxhall Aluminum Ramp Top Kit 2-pack. Let's check out the Maxhall Ramp Top Kit 2-pack, which retails for $20.86. This product also transforms 2x8 boards into sturdy ramps, offering the same great materials as the previous one, but at an even lower price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective ramp solution, this is worth considering. It features a non-skid surface and protective pods to safeguard your tailgate, which is essential when you're loading heavy items. The heavy-duty aluminum construction boosts durability, so you can expect this to last through multiple uses without rusting or corroding. The easy installation means you can get to work faster. However, like the previous option, it requires you to buy the boards separately, and some might find that a bit annoying. But if you're on a budget and don't mind the DIY aspect, it's a minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you're looking to save some money while still needing reliable loading ramps. Skip this one if you want a complete setup without any extra steps. It's a fantastic deal at just over $20. Now, if you're looking for a more robust ramp option, the next product has you covered.
Product number 4, Ironton Car Ramps. Let's talk about the Ironton Car Ramps, which support up to 12,000 pounds and are priced competitively. Their solid construction makes them a great choice for anyone needing a dependable ramp for heavier vehicles. If you want something that can handle a variety of cars and trucks, this is a strong contender. The non-skid tread ensures your tires stay in place while driving up, which is a huge relief. Plus, the rubber feet help anchor the ramps to the ground, preventing any unwanted slipping or shifting as you drive on. They're designed to accommodate both low-clearance vehicles and taller trucks, making them versatile for any garage. However, they are on the heavier side at 20.6 pounds each, which might make them a bit bulkier for some users. But if you prioritize stability and safety, this weight is actually a sign of their sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you manage multiple vehicle types and need a ramp that can handle it all. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. They're great value for what you get and should last a long time.
Now, if you're after something even more portable yet still sturdy, let's move to the final product.
Product number 5, Hawkswell Portable Car Ramps. We have the Hawkswell Portable Car Ramps, priced at $69.99. These ramps are designed for high lifts and support a whopping 10,000 pounds. If you need a heavy-duty option for professional or home use, this is worth your time. With a lift height of 4.1 inches, they provide extra space for oil changes and repairs, which is always a plus. The anti-slip texture and drainage design keep things safe and stable, while the lightweight construction makes them easy to store and transport. They also come with safety features that ensure your car won't slip off while you're working. However, some users have mentioned that the higher lift might not be necessary for everyone, especially if you're working with standard sedans. But honestly, if you plan on doing various maintenance tasks, that lift is a great feature to have. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable ramp for serious car work and value portability. Skip this one if you only need ramps for occasional light tasks. It's a solid investment for its price.
So, to wrap things up, we've covered the Roblox ramps with their low profile, the versatile Maxhall kits, the sturdy Ironton car ramps, and the heavy-duty Hawkswell options. Each of these has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. No matter which you choose, you're sure to find something that makes working on your car easier and safer.